Ma'am, how can we create a good hook to pull in customers?
Good question. Let me describe to you the strategies for constructing a good hook. I will also explain to you the rest of the structure. Start with an undeniable and important to client truth. For example, for a client who uses technology for all their activities, starting by saying technology has changed our lives. Follow by a contrasting statement that makes client wonder. Mention that the constant calls, mails are all like enemies. Follow by explanation and plant the solution you're about to offer. For example, technology-based communication have taken away the human touch from communication and treats everyone the same way. And hence, we need to have options that helps having real conversations. Now, for fixing the dichotomy, start with an undeniable and important to client truth. For example, for a client which deals in event videography, saying drones have helped capturing the events in better details. Follow by something of concern for the client in that context. For example, crashing a drone is a frequent phenomenon and costs a lot to the buyer both in terms of cost of drone and missing on capturing important details. Follow that by planting the solution to discuss in detail later. For example, the users of drone need a short training to make sure that they can use it well and prevent crashes as much as possible. Next comes the story. Start with the story where there was a problem. Follow how the problem was solved. Start by an unrelated question like, what is your favorite TV show? Follow by connecting to the current problem. As flattery, start with praising the client, establishing what makes you interested in serving them. The objective and the roadmap is about what does the client get from listening to your presentation. As an example about technology leading to conversations not being real anymore, follow by saying, today we will discuss how business conversations can be made real on technological platforms. This will help you in XYZ ways. Follow by quickly giving a roadmap of the main presentation and the time required for it. To handle the problem and solution, present your understanding of the problem. Ask them to define the problem. Question to understand the underlying need. Describe their need to them, integrating their inputs. Probe for what an ideal solution will be. Describe what you think an ideal solution will be. Seek agreement on the ideal solution description. About the product description and summary, start with how is the product being offered is a fit to the solution. Describe solution and not features of the product. Use stories of solving similar problems for other clients. Use testimonials describing product if available. Summarize the needs defined, the solution described and product fit with the need. When it comes to why us, start with awards and recognition. Follow that by background and company's journey. You can start with company's journey by differentiating you from competitors. Give examples like innovation, prompt resolution of issues, fair pricing, and customized solutions. Provide testimonials if any. Alternatively, post summary. Ask about what are they looking for in their service provider. And then position yourself in that description. What is not asked is often not given. Don't leave the pitch without asking for a close. How do you want to proceed? Use questions like, do you want anything else from us before making a decision? Does our product solve your requirements? In the end, you can ask them for how do they want to proceed from here. What next do they want to do? Try to get an idea about their interest to purchase even if you don't ask them if they would buy your offering.